Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how we can set default browser on Android. So you can keep the default browser on your Android mobile, whether it may be Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Opera Mini or whatever it may be, you can set the default. So you need to click on your phone settings. Under phone settings, you can search as default. Okay, default apps, or you can just browse through apps here, then scroll to the bottom and click on default apps. In either way you can navigate to this. See, under default apps, just click on the browser app. See here, all the list of the browsers will be shown to you. For right now, this radio button is set to Google Chrome, so my default browser is Google Chrome. For example, if there is a message app, in that message app there is a link. If you click on that link gets open to Google Chrome if it is a web link. So if you can change like this, now the default browser is my phone browser. So whichever browser you want, you can set it. That's it. This is how you can set default browser on Android. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.